It's a Squee TV.
It is.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Are you sure? Should we take a polygraph test?
No. You're just gonna have to trust me.
Give me your wrist.
Mm-mm.
Give me your wrist.
Mm-mm.
Just kidding.
You're just gonna have to trust me. Okay. What's up, YouTube world land? Mommy here.
And Zoe.
Today we are going to do a video reaction to what? Block B? BASTARZ.
BASTARZ.
That's a subgroup, right?
Yes.
We saw Block B at KCON and they were super fun.
Yes.
And I really like them a lot.
Yes.
But I don't know the group super well yet.
No.
Because, you know, K-pop.
It took me a while to even get her to do BTS.
It's
BTS.
It's so hard to learn names and people sometimes because there's so much out there. And there's so much to love and there's so much to listen to. It could be like a 24/7, 365 thing. It is.
It is.
It
always will be.
But I can't get it all in all at once. So please forgive me, Block B. I'm working on it. Anyhow, this is a song called Make It Rain.
I was about to be like, well, no.
Anyhow, so we're going to take a look at this music video and see what's up. I'm going to push play.
Okay.
Alright, here I go. Okay, right out the gate, we're punching in the face. Uh-oh. Abuse. He and Ratmon would get along with their phone booth abuse there.
I thought he hit it with a sauce.
He's laying on bags of money. I'd like some bags of money, please. Thank you.
Are they bags of money? Or
They are bags of money. No, they're bags of money. How would you know what a cocaine bag is?
I watch police shows. You know, like the ones where they like have raids and stuff.
Raids and golden guns.
Like Golden 9007.
Yeah. Money, power. Take it in. I would not like to be in that room with that spinning gun randomly shooting. What's going on here?
Messed up.
He's a little messed up there.
What have you been drinking or shooting at?
I don't know. He's drunk on money.
Hey, what's up? You win.
Uh-oh. There's dudes back in the back seat duct taped.
Messing with the mob or
That's
something?
never a good thing. Uh-oh. Ooh, he's spitting gold. I think that's a metaphor for something.
Those collars, the neck chokers are really popular thing in Korea right now.
Neck, like, prop.
The chokers.
They look good.
Oh, you're gonna take this.
He's still messed up, man. Uh-oh.
I like this song though. It's like one of those games like.
This is a good workout
Just
song.
like you Jerry to it.
Punch it in the face. What the heck?
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is getting trippy
We're
now.
on an acid trip now. Alright.
Woo, it's like Willy Wonka.
The original?
Yeah.
Oh, that was.
The boat ride.
Oh gosh.
Okay, so it's like a little Pulp Fiction-y there.
Oh, what did you guys do?
Yeah. Well, they were laying on bags of money, so.
And now the city is destroying itself.
Oh, it's like Doctor Strange.
I was just gonna say. Oh, he's spitting
Buddha, and Buddha's involved.
Oh.
Wow, oh my goodness.
Caskets. Oh, are they burying people alive?
I hope not, because that's not a nice thing to do.
Burning things.
This is pretty intense.
That was some like.
Yeah, with some gangster stuff.
I don't know what it is.
I like the song that's like,
Yeah.
just like
That was
punches
the kind
it.
you just like.
Yeah. for sure.
It's
I really
definitely-
like the song.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about the video.
I love the video.
I think I'm gonna have to watch it a few
I love
times
it.
in order to understand it. I didn't say I didn't like it. There was so much going on all at once. I need to like look at it again because this was just a quick first time seeing it.
Spitting gold.
Spitting gold. I like that.
I like it too. I was like, what the? My first thought when that happened, it wasn't gold. I thought I was like liquid cheese.
Liquid cheese.
He's putting nacho cheese at people.
Oh my gosh, America.
No.
Land of liquid
No,
cheese.
it's because we had that conversation earlier today.
I know,
so
yeah, we did. We talked about liquid cheese with our friend earlier today. And
she bought her child the first block of Velveeta.
Yeah. And we're like, America. Yeah!
And then I was like, oh no, it's probably gold.
Oh,
Why
jeez.
would
Yeah,
you
I'm gonna go with
liquid
gold.
cheese?
I'm gonna go with gold there.
Yeah.
Spitting liquid cheese is not as effective.
I don't know, it might be boiling hot and it could be like those lizards from like Jurassic Park.
I don't
be
think
like,
that's the message that was
I
trying
know,
to be sent.
I'm just being stupid.
Well, and on that note, thank you so much for hanging out with us and listening to our blah, 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 blah. We love our subscribers, and please feel free to leave us some comments and like it if you liked it, and we'll see you guys next time on
Wait,
Bye.
that is a circle.